Hi there, my name's Gareth. I'm one of the account managers at Nomi, and I'm going to talk you through some of my favourite features within the system. So, first up, we've got the pricing tool. This is one of my favourites. You can completely customise anything in this. You can customise the services and the turnover, the number of employees, anything like that. Let's change that to 3, and then it'll update the price. Then this will go into a proposal that you can send to your customer. So this will go through as an email with a PDF attached, and then in the email it will have an accept or reject button for the prospect or the client to approve or decline. So this is what it looks like, just nice and basic, and everything you need on there. So if they press accept, then you go through to the onboarding process. Within Nomi, you can do the know your customer checks, you can do professional clearance, you can do due diligence, and it basically guides you through the different stages of the onboarding process. So with the KYCs, it's fully up to date. It searches the international sanctions list, it searches whether they're a politically exposed person, and it checks that they're alive, and it's something similar. You've probably seen it with maybe an online banking app or something like that. Next up, we've got the company secretarial. You can incorporate companies on Nomi, you can do a confirmation statement, and my favorite, you can do auto confirmation statements where it will send out the draft to the client, and then the client can approve that without you even needing to do anything. Next up, we've got the bookkeeping. I love this dashboard. It gives you sort of lots of great information that you need. Within here, you can set up a bank feed. You've also got NomiPay, which allows customers to pay on the invoices themselves. They can pay via Go Cardless. You've also got NomiPay on here, where it will put a Pay Now button on your invoices, so people can pay by Android Pay or Apple Pay, or just generally by card, and then you can also set up direct debits as well. Moving on, we've got the reports. We've recently updated our reports, and they're all looking really nice. Let me just show you quickly the profit and loss, so you can have a look to see what that looks like. I'll just do a comparative there. So yeah, that's a sneak peek at the profit and loss. Now within the payroll, we've got auto payroll. So if you've got a basic payroll, maybe it's a director only, or maybe it doesn't change month on month, you can set it up to automatically run every month. It still needs someone to monitor it and make sure it's doing everything right, but it takes so much time out of the repetitive daily work that the payroll team will need to do, and then you can focus on the difficult ones and the client communications there. And my personal favorite, you've got the tax checklist for the self-assessment. So you can send this to the client, you can send it to all of your clients or just a select few. And here are the default questions. The clients can answer these, they answer these on the form, or you can add your own questions and change. You can have different answer types. So maybe it's just something they type in, or maybe you want to do multiple choice. So those are my key features that I particularly like about Nomi. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you have a good day.